In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit robots.txt on Shopify SEO. Before we dive in, a quick overview. Your robots.txt file tells search engine crawlers which parts of your store they should and shouldn't access. Shopify provides a smart default, but sometimes you'll want to fine-tune it for SEO, like blocking duplicated content or allowing specific bots to reach important pages. We'll keep things simple and safe as we go. Start by heading to shopify.com and open your store's admin. From the left-hand navigation, go to Online Store. This takes you to the section where your themes live and where we'll make the change. Next, open Themes. Find the theme you want to edit, ideally your live theme so the changes apply to your storefront. Look for the three-dot icon beside that theme. Click the three dots to open the Options menu. If you see more than one three-dot menu on the page, use the one directly associated with the theme you intend to adjust so you're editing the correct code. Once you're in the theme's code area, look to the sidebar and select Templates. This is where we'll add the special file that lets you customize your robot's rules. Inside Templates, choose Add New File. A prompt will appear asking for a file name. Type robots.txt.liquid, spelled exactly like that, with an S after robot, the .text extension, and the .liquid suffix, then press Enter to create it. After the file is created, you'll be inside the editor and ready to make changes. At this point, you can edit robots.txt.liquid directly or paste the directives you want. Keep your edits focused and intentional. Common actions include disallowing search engines from crawling internal search result pages, filtering pages that create duplicate content, or making sure key directories remain accessible. You can also include a link to your XML sitemap to help crawlers discover your pages efficiently. A few tips as you work. Avoid blocking essential customer flows like cart or checkout pages, and don't accidentally block all bots unless you're intentionally keeping the entire site out of search. Add brief comments in your file to note why a rule exists, which makes future edits easier. If you ever need to undo your changes, removing this file will return your store to Shopify's default robot settings. That's it. You went to your Shopify admin, opened Online Store and Themes, used the three-dot menu, navigated to Templates, added a new file named robots.txt.liquid, and then edited or typed your code right in the editor. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have precise control over how search engines crawl your Shopify store.